Good evening, everybody. Tonight is the 16th of, boy, where are we are now? October. Oh, the year is gone. I'm going to do a full presentation tonight for everybody because there's some very, very strange things that's happening in the market. The wars is going on in Russia, and now just the whales and stuff is trying to manipulate the market. And I'm going to show you tonight that with God's grace and the help, we've got EasyBot. And let me explain to you what I'm saying to you guys. I just want to share my screen. Am I sharing, Blanche?
It's got the future of crypto trading quantity
Okay, yes, now
presentation.
I'm sharing my screen. Okay, let me start it. Okay, just who am I? My name is Bux Wessels. I used to do some trading myself. I'm still doing some trading just for the fun of it, just because it's a habit I've done for many years. But people, I'm going to show you now. Why is it easier to choose the EasyBot? And let's go on. There's my link. And please hit the like button when on YouTube and spread the news. Help people. We help ourselves. All right, just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and all the screenshots that I've done on this presentation, I took out of the official trading presentation. So I just adapted to the story I want to tell of the EasyBot. Now, first of all, do you still have time to do trading? There's lots of people that does trade and they're making a lot of money. But the amount of time and hours that I spend behind the screen. Some people can only do it for 2 hours a day. But people, to get to that 2 hours, they had to spend 14 to 16 hours learning, and it takes at least 3 to 5 years to become a successful trader. In the meantime, you still got a job and something, and that makes it even worse for people to trade. Now, just on what happened. On the 10th of October, we had what we call, it was like a Black Friday. Some people call it even a swan event. So what is happening in days like these? In this case, the US tariff hike on China, there was an explosion. The markets was closed on the Friday night after 11 o'clock. The European market, the New York market, the London session, everything was closed. And then China um, gave this information about the tariff hike. Now, immediately there was traders. Now, I need to explain quickly. There's two types of trades that you can do. One is what we call spot trading. So you trade one to one. Those people were safe. But then you get people that's trading on leverage. They can trade 1 to 2, 1 to 5, 1 to 500. Some people trade 1 to 1,000. So basically, if you trade 1 to 100, you put $10 in, you can actually trade for $100. Now, what happened when the market dropped about 20 to 30, some 30 to 40%. Even the coins, what we call the altcoins, they dropped even worse. There's people that actually committed suicide on this. Now, just what happened, the worst fall was done on this Friday night. There was amount of 19.1 billion liquidations just for that, and it happened within a 1 hour. You can see all the dates further on where all the liquidations happened. Now, the first ones actually happened When Bitcoin started in 2008, the crypto, that was only 2.4 billion. Now it's 19.16 billion, just in 1 hour. But you know what is the best of all? There was not one person in the EasyBot that lost his money, that his account was closed, or and certain of them actually made extra money coming onto the system. It was just a massive day for us and on the EasyBot. And the reason for that is the EasyBot is trading in an algorithm that is using a spot instead of trading on where they liquidate it. All right. Now we've got core values. You can see them: service, integrity, trust, respect, and leadership. People, this is values that our CEO is quite, and the whole family of the EasyBot. We're like a different family out there, a different crypto family, where and we can talk openly and nicely to each other, and it's just nice to be in a family like this. This is our executive team, and these people is always on the calls. There's 3 calls in a week, and one of these calls is the CEO is also on the call. I'm going to show you now. This is Mohammed, the CEO. On every Tuesday afternoon, so it is 6 o'clock in South African time, Mohammed comes onto the call and any person can ask him any question. And he gives us daily updates or weekly updates on what the bots are about. Like, for example, when there's something wrong in the system, like we got this, where emails or problems came up. He doesn't hide it. He tells us. And he tells us when Nextwings is going to launch and when is the next upgrade going to come or enhancements on the system. This is just excellent to have a CEO like that, always every week online. People, then he also gives us reports on the total bots. Now, this type of graph is we see it every week, and every week it gets updated. What I'm actually trying to tell you guys here is you do not even know what crypto is or what pair to use. It is transparent in the system. You can get it everywhere, daily in the system, or you can get it from our weekly course. So you do not need to know what pairs do you need to join or to set up for your bot. Now, I just want to explain this quickly. If you take CRV USDT, that is what we call is one bot, one pair. Cake USDT is another bot running. So for all of these,
$1,000.
finding yourself, Roy, for all of these bots, people, it's not needed to know. You do not have to know the crypto. It is given by your Mohammed every week, and we've also got it in the system 24/7 if you want to download it. All right. Now, the algorithm of the bot makes it such safe and easy. We've got a 99% success rate on the bot itself, 99.9 success rate. And you do not have to, once you've set up your bot, it's a setup and you go. I've got some clients that logs in once a month into their bots and they just check at the bottom line. What is the bot making for them? All right. Now the strategy, there's 2 types of strategies that you can use in the EasyBot. The most one is the default strategy. And even for advanced traders, they can customize their bots if they want to. But so far, we've seen in the feedback that we got, people is customizing their bots, and at the end of the day, it might make a bit of more money. And then if you see if the market drops, like it did on the 10th of October, these people's bots crash out and they lose all their funds. All right. As I said, built for profitable trades only. And one of the things of the EasyBot We've got a thing, I'll explain it later on, is what we call service fees. The bot will only take the service fee, which is zero, very small, on a winning trade. If you take money, if you got $100 or $1,000 into that bot, the bot does not take all $1,000 at once to put in a trade. It takes little bits of 3 to 7% of a trade. So that means that the bot can take multiple, up to 92 trades on a pair, even if the market drops like that and it starts buying, selling all the time. People, and this is the advantage. If you got doing your own work, as I said in the beginning, you will sit there for hours. This thing does all it for you. All right. Now, even if the market drops, as we said now, this is a chart where the market dropped 2 years ago, the last 2 years. The bot was easy, still making money all the time. And that is the safety of the safety net of the system. It's not going to give you 20 or 30% a month, that I can tell you. But it's going to give you a constant increase of funds. All right. Now, very, very important. The EasyBot there's two separate systems. You've got your EasyBot wallet and then you've got your own wallet. The EasyBot is connected with IP in between. So you do not need, once you got that connected, the bot tells your wallet, buy this and sell it. Buy this and sell it. And that is also what a bot does. It's two separate. You can withdraw your funds 24/7 when you want. You can add money in 24/7 when you want. As we know, cryptos is 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. All right. Now, most important, the reason that first graph that I showed you with the drop, what the bot is using is automatic compounding income. So every time, and that is what we call what, the seventh or the ninth wonder of the world. Every time the bot just increases, it takes a winning trade and then it will add. So if you had $100, then it will trade $101 or $110. It's compounding interest. Now, as I said, you saw the first graph. These bots is making, we've got as I told you guys, Mohammed shows us always the performances of the bots. If you take this bot that started with $500 in 2023, it had 29 pairs, and by the time it reaches the 100% mark, what Mohammed does, they close all these bots and they start again, new over, and then to show again, how long does it take for each? Now, some of the bots you will see here, like Matic, in this case, only had a 28% gain. This is the overall profit of all the pairs. Now, most of us, when you start, you use it like Solana here, was over 200% profit. So some people start with the top bots, and as your money increases, you add some more bots to your account. Because it does not always happen that Solana will be the best forever. Okay, I'll show you now on some other slides. Another thing is we do diversity. The crypto market is just like the normal markets. Some coins go up and some coins go down. It depends on the season and supply and demand and all the market-related coins. So what Mohammed teaches us is to diverse your portfolio. You don't put all your eggs into one basket. You spread your bots between like Matic, USD, AVA, Uni, Link, Litecoin. There's 29 pairs you can choose, as I said. So you take the top ones when you start off and you start choosing your bots like that. Also, very important for the small accounts. This is not a get quick rich scheme. I always explain to you, when you go on pension for a person that's working for a state or a government, he monthly adds funds to his pension plan. And hopefully, after 25 to 30 years, you must have 99% of people does not have enough money then to even to go on pension. So you also need to, what you can afford, you add a little bit more to your portfolio in order for your portfolio to grow faster. Okay. As I said, consistent contributions helps a lot to even generate your bots faster, your account. Now, what is most important, so far I've just been talking about the USDT, USDC pairs. The EasyBot has got a different group. Now, let's put it this way. You've got two type of vaults. The one vault is where your USDC, USDT is your base currency. And then you got another bot which increases your Bitcoin. Now, just to think on Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin when I started in 2008 was a price of a person bought one Bitcoin for a pizza. Now the price of Bitcoin went up to $130,000. South African, it was 2 million rand. People, they reckon by 2030, the price of one Bitcoin is going to be about 15 million rand for one coin. We expect the coin, although the market is very vulnerable, there is a chance that by December, the price of one Bitcoin at the moment is hovering about $100,000 to $120,000. It might go up to $200, $250. So if you've got an EasyBot, Bitcoin bot running, it increases your Bitcoin all the time. So it increases your Bitcoin, and then thereafter it helps you to even let your portfolio grow faster. These figures is actually already wrong again, because I saw another video or a link where the amount is now, I think, 2 billion trades. I think I missed it on last night's call, but I think that was around about the figure. People, it's just amazing. This company is expanding, expanding, expanding fast. Now, as I explained before, you've got your Bitcoin, your EasyBot, and you've got your wallets. Now, you can choose between Binance, Coinbase, Bitget, Kraken, Bybit, and Qcoin. This is the wallets that is available to link your EasyBot with an API link. People, I do help the people. It takes about 15 minutes to set up your bot, running it. So the bot tells the wallet what to buy and when to sell. You actually tell the bot you're going to choose a CRV, USDT, Solana. As I showed you from that graph, you choose your bots, and then it's linked to your wallet, and then it runs. Okay. Now, sorry. There is a difference in the price in your Binance wallet. You need to have a minimum of $500 for a bot. Bitget 200, and then you go down to Qcoin, which is $20. But this is where the story comes when I showed you before. If you start your bot with only $20, people, you need to add money. This is not going to make you a miracle money. And even so, this is what the minimum amounts is. Now, each bot can you run from Qcoin $20 till $1 million for one bot, and you pay the same price for that bot. I'm going to tell you and show you now. All right. So when you start up, me and Roy is always available to help you. But then we also got a corporate call where you can log into the system. You can log into the Zoom call, They take you to a breakout room and they help you setting up your bots. And there's a PDF file available as well as a Zoom where these steps 1, 2, 3 are not a Zoom, a video call, a video that you can follow to sign up you do not have to know the experience, but that is where me and Roy comes in to help you guys. Now, what is the cost? When you start with a bot, it's going to cost you $100, but that is not just for one bot. You're going to get 5 bots for that $100, and this is a yearly fee. This is what we call the service fees you pay for your bots. Now, as I said, for $100, you can run up to 5 bots, and the cost of the bots is depending what you have in your wallet. And that is also on this point, what makes it so very difficult. People ask me how much percentage you're going to get in a month. It's very difficult. First of all, how much money you're in. You know, money makes money and money makes money talk. So how much you got in per bot? When did you start? Sometimes people start when the market is down. Sometimes people start when the market is up. It does not matter. The market is always going up and then it drops down like we did the 40% or 20% of the Bitcoin drop last Friday. By Monday, it was up already, another 12% back. So you just got to join because the bot, actually the algorithm helps you. So some people tells me they wait until the market is going to drop. It's not going to drop, people. All I can say. All right, just to go again. It costs you $100 for a yearly fee. Now, on this cost, the people that joins under me or Roy, we actually prepared to pay 50% of these funds. I'm prepared to pay 50% even if you take a VIP plus bot. I'm prepared to pay out 50% of that funds. And that is, I'll show you how, because of the compensation plans that we're getting extra bonuses, and this is where we can help people. But what is the difference? Let me start. $100, you can have 5 bots, and you can have 1 connection. 1 connection means that you have like a KuCoin account. Now I'm going to go one up to $250. That is the advance. You can have then 10 bots running and 2 connections. Some people only start with $100. And in the middle of the year, they're happy and they went to upgrade. Then you pay only the difference on the time that you use. Say after 6 months, you paid $100. Now you want to upgrade it to $250. 6 months you use basically $50. So you're going to pay only $200 for this account. All right. But then you get 2 connections here. And what is the difference? Then you can have a KuCoin and a Binance wallet, for example, if you do not want to spread all your eggs in one basket. But also take note, when you go to the starter, your service fee, remember, the bot only takes a 0.4% commission on a closing trade. So it first makes money for you, then it deducts your trading on your wallet. Now, if you go up to the VIP Plus, there you pay only 0.2%. But then you have 150 bots and 7 connections. So you can link all those different exchanges in there. And there is people that's running that. There's people that's got for their kids and stuff, running one bot with 7 connections, and they can have 150 bots. Now, people ask me, but you've only got like 29 pairs which you can choose. And I think I'm not 100% sure about the amount of Bitcoin bots. Say 50. How can you come to 150? Some people buy Solana USD when the market was high. So later on, the market drops, that bot is making money, but then they start a different bot or Solana USD on a different level. And so people has got actually more than one pair that they use 3 or 4 bots sometimes, especially for the big guns. They do that. All right. I hope everybody understands this. This is quite easy to help. Either me or Roy or Blanche can help you guys if you need to. All right. For the people that does not have enough funds, or even if you have funds, you're going to tell somebody about the bot. You're going to use your referral link and you can actually make money out of that. They've got an excellent compensation plan. I'm not going to do it now on this. That is a separate video or a separate presentation. It is available on the official site. But the referral rewards, some people's making a living out of this referral rewards that they're getting. Because the moment somebody signs up underneath you, it is not that one-time commission you're getting. If that person's got 10 or 15 bots, and every time his bot is trading, and our average trades per bot is about 10 to 20 trades a day, and that bot, once it makes commission, you also get a little bit. It's not a lot. It's a cent here and 2 cents there and 5 cents there. But at the end of the day, it makes $100, just like that. And you can see it. And this is where the people that are so anxious to tell us about the bot, that is why I'm doing it. Because I can see this is the only project I've done in network marketing where I'm confident that I can tell a person I do have clients like that. That's about over 1.62 million rand into their bots. And they set and forget about it. And I'm confident I don't have to worry about it at night times. Having nightmares that the clients might lose their money. 90% of the people in the EasyBot family did not even know about that Black Friday crash. It's only the big guys that is sitting up and every day and watching the news on cryptos. People, that is all I'm going to say for tonight. If there's any questions, here is my email address. You can email me or send me a question on YouTube. It does not matter. Or you can contact me on my private number as well. For those people that is in our Telegram groups. I just want to go quickly to the chat box. Just want to see if there's any links. People, Roy put up a lot of links for us for the ones that is available. Most important, our Telegram groups is up to date. They've got a working group. The moment you register into the EasyBot, you will see that you can actually have access to all these groups. All right. Is there anything else that we need is there any questions? Chris, are you happy? Before I stop sharing, always.
100% happy. Thanks a lot, Bucks.
Okay. I'm going to just stop the recording now.